Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the bed build. If you missed part 1, you can go check it out here. In this video we're going to be building the headboard, and the bulk of the headboard is the reclaimed pallet. That's where the pallet bed name comes from. So this is the last video I was able to film with my camera before it started having lens issues. So as you can see in this video, sometimes the camera won't autofocus, so that's part of the reason why I decided to not do this as a tutorial, just because the quality wasn't quite up to where I wanted it to be. So I just did it as a build video, and I also had time constraints, so bear with it. It's not very great to watch during that part, but the camera's junk now. I'm using my phone as a replacement until I can get myself a new camera. But anyways, enjoy this build, and stay tuned for part 3 and the final assembly coming up next week, and you'll see the whole thing come completely together, and you'll see the big picture. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it, and give it a thumbs up if you do, and I'll see you guys on the next project.